challenge you to a game of building blocks.
We accept.
Beautiful. So how building blocks works is it's a four-person scene where one person will start off in the scene by themselves, and then a person will walk in from the side, starting a new scene with new characters. They will build on that scene, and then a third person will enter, making a three-person new scene, and then a fourth person does again, and then that last person has to find a way to leave, and then they are back in that old three-person scene, and then they will leave again, two-person scene, same place, and then the one-person scene, all sad and lonely, and then they'll make happiness and laughter. Did you figure out who, what, four people?
Yes, it'll be me, Hunter, Game of Josh, and Marshall.
Beautiful. Get your suggestion.
All right. Can I get a suggestion for an ordinary house activity that I might be trying to complete? Vacuuming? Don't laugh at me. Wait, what? Where did you?
No. Continue.
Oh, geez. Okay. I think it will work. Okay. Yeah, clean this before Mom gets here. Great. I think I'm getting it. All right. Cool. I left the path. All right. The swipper. All right. Good.
I looked all over for Fluffy and I can't find him.
We can try to use the Fluffy locator.
Why didn't I think of that first?
I know. All right. Here we go. Okay. I'll enter in his name. Well, is it what, like a Y?
It's I-E-E-Y. Fluffy.
Okay. All right. It's locating him. All right. It says he's about like 5 feet over there.
Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3,
4,
5.
All right, so you guys are going to be O, and I'm going to be X. I'll start. X. I know you guys got secret plans. I won't listen.
What if we just put an O over the whole thing?
I'm sorry, that was it. No.
Thing, like, and then we win.
Yeah, and then we win the game. Oh!
You guys won the game.
Yeah.
Rematch.
Is this Pickpockets Anonymous? Am I at the right club?
Jimmy Hoskins, this is your ID.
Oh.
Yeah, you're in the right place.
Oh, thanks. It's nice to have a support group for things like this, you know? It's so great. It's so great to have people. Just spectacular.
We're a huggy bunch.
We're great. We hug.
Come on, John.
No.
John.
It's like every touch is another dog.
Give us
Stop it! I don't want to do this anymore. I come here and all I get is pickpocketed. It's supposed to help us. All it does is that one word for help us, but not help us.
I feel pretty nice.
I know you.
I do too.
You got like what, 6 touches at $6? On my bucks.
Do you want to call someone? I have your phone. Okay. Well,
You know, this is a lot of drama. I don't know if this is the club for me. I'll see you guys on the flip side.
Yeah, so it's a little more complicated, but as you can see, I put an X in the middle again. But now the army's approaching from the south.
I'm calling a friend.
Okay.
Okay. He says we should move our orcs over here.
Orcs are coming south.
Right over there.
For us.
And then we send the geese. The geese over to the east.
They're going.
All right, the orcs and the geese.
Yeah.
I thought I was a nerd, but clearly you guys are on a different level.
Well, hey.
Forks and keys.
Yeah. Okay, so there's obviously a bush here.
Right.
Implying that he is maybe in the bush.
I'm allergic to bushes, so I don't. I shouldn't even really be here. I don't even know why we put the bush in front of the house. Why would we do that?
I don't, because you look nice. I can't. No, okay. The mop and the buckets. There we go. And then,